Okay? There's one more snake. Oh, wait. Go right to Woody. Okay? 10. Okay? Look at that. It's Bug. It's Buggy.
I don't remember his name.
Oh, yeah. He's a new bug. He moves right to Woody. This is Piggy Money. 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 Oh, God.
Hi, Captain Cute. Are you cute?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Look at that.
What'd you
Where's
find?
Bug? Oh, there's Bug. See, the match. The match.
Oh,
Now he's gonna go right here too, next to Piggy Money. And there's Woody. Come here, yes, come here again. Look at that! It's Bear! It's Bear's bad guy!
yeah. Awesome.
It's Bear! That's look like, this is Toy Story free.
Yeah?
Toy Story coverage free? That's awesome! Another bears! Oh, it's really cute. Very cute. Now there's the other one. Look at this. There's the other bear right here. Jessie! Jessie!
Yeah.
Free Jessies! Free Jessies! That's look like the own Toy Story one to Lost Woody.
Yeah.
Look, and when Woody be with Jessie. There's 6. See? 6 Jessies.
That's right.
And
It's got the number 6 on it. It's very good, right?
and 5 bears. And what's this one?
That's an 8.
8, 4, and 1.
Uh-huh.
1, 4, 8.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
3.
3, 2, 6.
Actually,
6.
that one's a 9. I know it looks exactly the same as a 6, but it's flipped
1.
upside down.
Oh.
See how there's a line? There's a line there. That means it's a 9.
9,
Yep.
2, 6. That's
9.
6.
It's 9.
9. Oh,
You're right.
9. What's that? Look. See, it's got straight circles.
Yeah, 2 circles. That means it's an 8.
8. They're like, I got all
You
of them.
did them all.
Yeah.
Good job, Ray.
Let me do this.
Alright.
Jessie!
I'm going to turn off the camera now and say bye.